Okay, so I just installed one of these light socket ceiling fans. Basically, you take out your bulb and it screws right in. It's got a socket extender if you need it, which I used in my case. Now, comes with a remote control. So you can turn on the light, you can control the light of the ceiling fan. There's the light. That part works good. Here's the ceiling fan. Now this is on high. A lot of rock in the roll. Now I do have, this is a cathedral ceiling, so this might work a little bit better if you had a flat ceiling, but I think with the weight, the way it's gonna go, this thing's just gonna rock too much. So it does work, that's on high. If I put it on low or lower, yeah, I mean, it works. It does kind of what they say it does. I don't know that, at least for me, it's such a great solution. But, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. But I don't think this thing's going to be so great for us. Let me shut that off. And that's it. That's all she wrote.